I want to tell you guys about a technique. Day in the life of a busy working realtor episode. I think we're at like 478 at this point. So I want to tell you guys about a technique that we're using for a client that I think might be interesting. It's kind of high level, and a lot of people may not have heard of it before. So here's the scenario. So my client needs to sell his house, and he'd love to sell it to his daughter and son-in-law. Now, we ran credit, everything's good, everything looks great, except for they just really don't have very much cash. Other than that, they're great. And he doesn't want to rent it to them. He needs to sell it. He needs for it to transfer out of his name into somebody else's name because there's some other things that he wants to do. So we are using the equity in the house as the buyer's down payment. Okay, so I'm sure you're like, wait, what? How are you doing this? So this is how it's done. It's called a gift of equity, and it's really meant to be done between relatives. But basically, the gentleman has quite a bit of equity in the house. He's had it for a long time. I think he's got almost $200,000 in equity in the home. And you may remember another video where we talked about what equity is. That's basically the profit that he has in the home from when he bought it. So he can do a gift of equity, which is basically saying, hey, instead of my daughter and son-in-law coming up with down payment themselves out of their pocket, I will gift them X amount of dollars. I will do it all in the same transaction, and it's coming from the equity of the home. So he doesn't have to pay cash out ahead of time. It's all done at the closing table, and they're in, bada boom. So on closing day, or actually before closing day, the lender will have already verified the amount of cash that the seller is getting back, and will have already approved the gift of equity. There's some documents that have to be in place. There are little, requirements that are there that we got to make sure that we cover. And then on closing day, the attorney will administer the transfer of money, and these clients are able to move into their home. No cash out of pocket, except for there still has to be an appraisal done and, things like that. But other than that, that's it. It's an excellent technique for transferring the property, if you need to, from parent to son, brother and sister, cousin to cousin, any familial relation that you can come up with is something to try. That is one of the many techniques that my partner Tami and I'm Erika Page, my partner is Tami Goodwin, and we own Luxury Living International. That is our real estate company. We've been in real estate for over 20 years. We got so many tricks up our sleeve. You need to hit us up. So contact me directly, hit me in the DMs. I'm glad to answer questions. I got so many techniques. I'm sure we can get you in a home and sell yours too. All right, take care.